and welcome to my first DIY project video. Recently, I taught my sons how to play one of my childhood cards game, what we call Daifugo in Japanese, and they absolutely loved it. But the only problem I realized is that they can't sort their cards by their hands because their hands are so small. And they were lying every card on the floor and we can see what they got. So that gave me an idea of making something like this. They can sort their cards out and they can hold it and we can't see what they have. This is the video. I show you how I made these and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching until the end, and that's all from today. I will see you in the next video. またね